In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for the Walmart affiliate program to make money. So the first step is head over to affiliates.walmart.com, and from this website, look for a join now or sign up button and click on it. Now from here, sign up using your email or phone number and basically create an account. Next is fill in details about yourself like first name, last name, your phone number, and of course, create a password. So basically, just follow all the on screen prompts, and you might also be prompted to choose how you'll promote products, then submit your application. After approval, grab affiliate links from the dashboard, and from there, you can now start sharing Walmart products online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!